Have you ever wondered how wind energy works? Based on my research, there are many transformations of wind energy. The sun's energy or rays heats up the earth, which causes the earth to have energy. Obviously, the earth's thermal energy makes wind and blows through the turbine, especially when the wind energy hits the turbine blades, which causes the turbine to make the blades move. Clearly, the turbine moving causes the generator to build up the electricity. As you can see, there are many transformations to wind energy.
Many people believe that wind energy is more expensive. However, the data that we have collected differs to it being expensive. The turbine costs about $750,000. Even though $750,000 seems like a lot of money, it isn't because of the savings to the wind energy. Based on our research, you can have the turbine paid off in about 6 years, and the turbine lasts up to 30 years. Your monthly savings would be $10,165.32, and your yearly savings would be $121,983. As you can see, we would be saving $24 million in the savings during the 24 years you don't have to pay for the electricity. So in this case, our data differs to how people say wind energy is more expensive.
There are many schools that have done this, but not many. One school that I found that had built a wind turbine is named Forest City. One question you might have is, how long will this project take? 6 years to pay off, and it lasts for 30 years. What process would you have to go through to get one? Demographs are one step. You have to contact the electrical companies. Support from the community is another big thing. Another step is to gain support and have a bid to gain proceeds. This is one project that will take some time and cost a lot, but it pays for itself.
College community schools are looking for an alternative energy option. I believe that the best option would be a wind turbine. The first thing that I researched was government grants. You can get a maximum credit of $500 per half kilowatt. The second thing that I researched was environmental impacts. The good part is that it doesn't make a lot of noise. The other thing is that the only harmful effects that could happen are leaking lubricants.
Next, I researched the local impacts. There can be noise pollution, but only if you buy a big farm of wind turbines. The last thing I researched was economic impacts. A small turbine means you cannot get as much money because you can't sell any of the energy. If you have a big turbine, you can make money because you can sell the energy the turbine makes. Obviously, all these reasons show that for